Welcome back, y'all. This one's a quick hitter. Not a ton of footage, but I found just enough time to squeeze it in between the chaos. Sometimes it's the small fixes that get you the solid results you need. Let's get after it. Alright, I've been making a mess down here with the plumber, my buddy, and I was going to just show you. Got a big mess still everywhere, got to get the water heater out. But, like I said in one of those other videos, I was going to move the bladder tank, pressure tank, whatever you want to call it. It was over in this corner, got rid of the water heater that was sitting back there, so it's there. Got a few things plumbed up and changed, added a few more filters. And just getting ready to fire up the on-demand water heater. Had to run, of course, the new gas line. But that will be, I didn't have much room down here and everything with us working on stuff to film it. I just wanted to show you that little project. It is almost done now. And once that's done, I'm hoping I can take a weekend, I wish I could do it in a day. A weekend and hurry and knock out the whole entire bathroom, a whole gut remodel. Got a few things I might push the shower tub back. The sink and toilet, I don't know if I'm going to move any of those just yet until I figure out the layout and what the plan is there. But hopefully that's one of the next ones. I got a few little things I'm still fixing on the skid steer. I finally found my other hydraulic leak. And I'll try to show you that, maybe just throw that one in with this one. But yeah, I'm actually getting a few things done finally. So anyway, but I just wanted to show you that real quick, and I can't wait for that to get rid of that old water heater. I forgot I was going to do this on a small portion of the video, but these lights were broke. They were the little square ones like those. So I put two of those on. These tail lights were shattered. They were LED. I just went to some of the cheap ones for now because I don't really care, and it seems like they get broke way too often. So there's that one, and then the new one on this side. These two front markers were good, so I'm not going to worry about those, but I wish I would have put this section on there. The pigtail up front was a menagerie. And there's some of the wiring and garbage. But here's the old one. Here's the old section. And I bought one of those little like junction boxes. I'm not sure what they call it, distributor type, whatever, but I bought one of those so that I could tie everything together in that, and then I don't know if I'm going to put it in the hydraulic box or out there on the side or something. I don't really want to put it on the frame. I don't know. Seems like there's always too many things in the way, but we'll just see where I decide to put it for sure. Maybe I'll hurry and open that up. But I got, like I said, that box comes with a brand new pigtail. So I just used the old one. I'm taking this off, and I'm gonna wire everything into the rest of the trailer that runs back. So, it also came with the new emergency brake cable. I'm going to see about where I want to mount it. I'm running out of daylight. I mean, it looks light, but it's slowly getting darker. So I'm hoping I can get it finished. If not, I'll have to finish it up tomorrow before I go back to graveyards. But I'll show you, I guess, bits and pieces. There's that battery box and everything too. I gotta make sure it was mounted right there before. But I'm trying to heat shrink everything this time and just try to waterproof it as much as I can. I wished I could solder it and everything, but with all my other trailers I need done and everything, I figured I'd just get this one. I got I dumped that. I spilled that entire thing. It was sorted out, but I got some waterproof ones that have the you know, with the heat shrink on them a little bit, but it seems like every time you crimp them, it puts a little hole in there, so I'm going to put the heat shrink over it as long as I don't forget any of them.
Something good to be obtained from breaking loose and leave the things that kept you chained. So when you find the strength to really shed your skin, all you really need to do is search within.
It's not always perfect, but it's progress. Appreciate y'all for riding along with me during this journey. I know it's short and sweet, but I appreciate it anyway. Until the next time, God bless.